Okay, in this episode we are going to learn about what is the variable scope inside a function. So I already tell you that the variable scope of a function is local to that function. That means you can use the same variable name in any function. For example, here in the main function I declare two variables x and y. I can use the same variable name in any function. So here there is another function called the display is present. I use the same variable name there. So this is possible because here this x and y is local to the main function, and this variable x and y is local to the user defined function called display. And this is the variable scope in C programming. You can use the same variable name in any function, and also you can use the same argument name as function. For example, here suppose I call this function like this, display with arguments x and y. Suppose I define this function, define these two variables 5 and y equal to 8. Okay, so now I call this function with the two arguments x and y. I can use the same variable name x and y here as arguments, because these two arguments are local to this function display. This is valid 1. So here this is not possible because here we got some error. So if I compile this program, definitely we got an error here, because already there are two variables are available with the same name inside this function. So you have to use another variable name here. Okay, so I got the value of ax to a and got the value of y to b. Okay, this is valid. So the scope of a variable inside a function is local to that function. That means if there is a number of functions are available, you can use the same variable name in all that function. That is a very useful feature of C programming, because you can use the same function, you can use the same variable name to create a large complex program that will make the program easier to understand, and you can easily debug that program without any confusion. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part.